Look at this. So cute. Yeah, they came run. Hi, Mama. Good morning. Here. Look at this. Baby's coming out. You can tell the baby's never had any peanuts before. Or nuts. Please, if you can, feed walnuts, almonds. Don't feed peanuts to squirrels. They're highly toxic and they can build up in their system. Okay? So right now I am feeding blueberries because the fruit has not ripened. Hey, no, you did this to me yesterday, you little thief. No. She's very friendly. I wouldn't be surprised if you want a blueberry. There. Insanity. What you doing, Mama? Hi. Good morning. Here. Hang on. There you go. What's he gonna do? He's gonna come up the top. Look at this way. They just scoop them. They scoop them. Oh, look at this tree. Just insane. You guys are crazy this morning. Here, have your berries. Eat your veggies. Eat your veggies. Eat your veggies. This is insane. All the babies are out. Hi, Mama. Come on now. No fighting. Here. There you go. No fighting. Okay. Look at you. Coochie, 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 coochie. Let me touch your tail. Thank you, sweetheart. There you go. Wow. You know, some days it's busy and some days it's not. And today you've gotten... Here you go, Mama. Here. No, don't you come up. Here you go, sweetheart. I want him to put on weight. He looks really skinny. Look at you. What you squirt? Come on. A blueberry, Mama? There you go. You want a blueberry? See, this is her offspring right now. Good morning, little one. Are you wondering what's going on? Look at this. All right, well, I gotta go down to the trees because I made friends down there too. There you go, Mama. Good morning. There you go. There you go. Come on now. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. Here you go, sweetie. Oh, gee. Can we chew much faster? Faster! Faster!